Water Resources Part 3. In the previous video, we have learned about water scarcity, need for water conservation and management. Today, we are going to learn about multi-purpose river project and integrated water resources management. Archaeological and historical records show that from ancient time we have been building sophisticated hydraulic structures like dams built by stone rubble, reservoirs or lakes, embankments and canal for irrigation. We have continued this tradition in modern India by building dams in our river basin. Dams are built for irrigation, electricity generation, water supply for domestic and industrial uses, flood control, recreation, inland navigation, and fish breeding. Hence, dams are referred to as multi-purpose projects. The Vakranangal project on Satluj River in Himachal Pradesh, Hirakund project on Mahanadi River in Odisha are being used for hydel power production, irrigation and conservation of water with flood control. Let us see what is dam. A dam is a barrier across flowing water that obstructs, directs or retards the flow, often creating a reservoir, lake or impoundments. Dams are classified according to a structure, intended purpose or height. Based on a structure, dams are classified as timber dam, embankment dam, masonry dam with several subtypes. According to height, it can be categorized as large dam and major dams, low dams, medium height dams. Dams and multi-purpose projects are proclaimed by Jawaharlal Nehru as Temple of Modern India. The reason being that it would integrate development of agriculture and the village economy with rapid industrialization and the growth of the urban economy. Multi-purpose projects and large dams have also been the cause of many social movements like Narmada Bachao Andolan and Tehri Dam Andolan. The reason for resistance to These dams are large-scale displacement of local communities. Irrigation has also changed the cropping pattern of many regions, with farmers shifting to water-intensive and commercial crops. It creates ecological consequences like salinization of soil, transformation of social landscape, as increasing social gap between richer landowner and the landless poor. As we see, the dams created conflicts between people wanting different uses and benefits from same water resources. The Sabarmati Basin, farmers were agitated and caused right over the high priority given to water supply in urban area. Interstate water disputes are common with regards to sharing the costs and benefits of multi-purpose project. It was also observed that the multi-purpose projects induced earthquake resulting from excessive use of water. In the next video, we will learn about rainwater harvesting. Thanks.